Welcome to the Traitors board game 2nd edition, the game of teamwork, tension, and treachery. Start by setting up the game board. Place the spinning dagger in the center. Each player chooses a section of the board and places their stand and voting card. Give each player 3 gold pieces and 1 gold bar. Place these on their treasure chest in front of the stand and voting card. Put the remaining gold beside the board as the bank. Give each player a pen, paper, a blindfold, and a gameplay card, gameplay side facing up. This allows each player to follow along with each phase of the round. Shuffle the reward cards and place them face down beside the board. Take faithful roll cards equal to the number of players, -1. In this example, there are 6 players, so there would be 5 faithful roll cards. Pick an adventure deck. Each deck contains 9 cards. These cards are numbered. Do not shuffle them. Put the remaining adventures aside for future games. Take the Traitor roll card from the chosen deck without looking, and shuffle it with the faithful cards. Deal 1 roll card to each player face down. Each player can then read their roll, but it must be kept secret. The traitor should not read their secret assignments yet. Place the remaining adventure deck beside the board with text facing up. Do not shuffle these. Across 4 rounds, you'll complete missions, banish suspects, collect rewards, and aim to survive the night. Each round has 4 phases: mission, banishment, armory, and murder. After 4 rounds, the 2 players with the most gold face off in the endgame to decide who takes the prize pot. Phase 1. The mission. Flip the mission card and work together to earn gold for the prize pot. But beware, the traitor has a secret assignment. If they succeed, they may murder tonight. At the start of the mission, all players wear blindfolds and bang 1 hand on the table. Set a 20-second timer. During this time, the traitor may remove their blindfold to read their secret assignment, then replaces the blindfold before the timer runs out. They only need to read and remember the current assignment, as they will be given this same opportunity ahead of every mission. When the timer ends, everyone removes their blindfold. Complete the mission challenge. Place any gold won into the collective prize pot on the no murder section of the game board. During the mission, the traitor will also try to carry out their secret assignment. Phase 2. Banishment. Take it in turns to discuss who you suspect is the traitor. Write the name of your suspect on your voting card, then place the card on your stand. Reveal votes 1 at a time. Say the name aloud and the reason why you have chosen that player. The player with the most votes is banished. They lose 2 gold pieces, but remain in the game. Phase 3. Armory. During the armory phase, players carry out an assignment against each other. Players take the armory card from the adventure deck and complete the armory assignment. The winner or winners receive a random reward card from the armory deck. Find the shield, and you're safe from murder tonight. There are 3 different types of reward cards.
Gold cards add gold pieces to the value specified on the card to your treasure chest immediately. Dagger doubles your vote at a round table. This means your vote now counts twice, and if the player turns out to be the traitor, you win 4 gold pieces for this name instead of 2 at the end of the game. The player chooses when to play this card. Shield protects you from murder.
Phase 4. Murder. Blindfolds on. If the traitor has managed to complete their assignment, they may choose someone to murder by pointing the spinning dagger towards their intended victim. They may also point the spinning dagger towards themselves to deflect suspicion if they wish. If they didn't manage to complete their secret assignment,
the spinning dagger points to no murder.
Blindfolds off and reveal the victim. The murdered player loses 2 gold pieces and cannot vote at the next round table unless they play a shield card. Repeat all 4 phases 3 more times. After the 4th round,
it's time to reveal who among you
has been working for themselves. Blindfolds on. The traitor reveals themselves by pointing the spinning dagger at their board section. Blindfolds off. The traitor reads out their secret assignments, and all players agree if they were successful or not, and then the gold is assigned accordingly. For example, if the players agree an assignment wasn't completed, but the traitor still proceeded to murder, then the traitor loses 2 gold pieces to the murdered player. Faithful players gain 2 gold pieces for each correct traitor vote. 4 gold pieces if a dagger doubled that vote. The traitor earns 2 gold pieces for each successful murder. The 2 players with the most gold enter the end game. Each secretly writes either faithful or traitor on their card, regardless of the role they played in the game. If both write faithful, the prize pot is shared. If one writes traitor, they take everything. Both write traitor, and 3rd place wins. Remember, trust is fragile. Betrayal is inevitable. Do you have what it takes to win?